Hey everybody, hi, welcome. So happy you're here. If you're returning, thank you so very much for the amazing support. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Wyatt, the white puppy dog. Xena, the brown puppy dog, is over here making all kinds of sleepy time noises. That's how she participates. I hope you stick around. We do subscription box unboxing, shopping hauls out for the day, and I do try to mix it up with some other things as well. So please do hit that subscribe and hang out with us. For today, my winter Vino box is here. I love this women's lifestyle subscription box that, yes, comes with wine as well. They always send an awesome collection of 5 to 6 lifestyle goodies, as well as 2 bottles of wine. And yes, I have a discount code for you that will get you 3 additional lifestyle goodies. All right, let's dig right in. This box is $59.99 a season. It does come seasonally, plus they always have a holiday box, which is always so awesome. And one of the amazing things I love about this box is that you can choose to get it for yourself each season or gift it. And all you have to do is change the shipping address, and they make it super easy. So if you decided you wanted the holiday box, but you want to send the winter box then to your mom or a friend, all you have to do is change that shipping address and it'll go directly to them. So I love that option. All right, let's check and see what the winter box has in store. Okay, so right on top is your lifestyle goodies. And as I said, you always get 5 to 6 goodies as far as the lifestyle items come. And then if you use the code HAPPY, which I'll also share down below, you'll get 3 additional gift items. All right, let's open this up and see what is inside for the winter box. Oh, this one looks good. There's always such a nice variety, usually some jewelry item, maybe something to wear. There's always a snack, so I always look forward to this one. So this one is called Vino Sips and Surprises, the Oh La La box. It says sip back, relax, and unwind. And we're going to dig right in. All right. The first thing I see is a tumbler. This is called the Willow Collective Tumbler, and the value of it is $20. I love the saying. This is probably wine. This is a really nice, it feels like it's thermal. Let's see what it says. It's a Willow Collective. It's a 16-ounce tumbler. And let me see. It says, a little sassy and a little fun, the Willow Collective, this is probably wine, tumbler says it all, double wall insulated with an easy slide top, keep any beverage of your choice hot or cold on the go. So I figured it holds 16 ounces of whatever gets you through the day. Oh, cheers. So I love this, like the little gold top. Of course, the saying is adorable. So this will get some use. I love it. Can you imagine sipping on this for work, even if it's just coffee with the saying? That would be fun. All right. Next up, there is a snack. This is called Mouth Party Caramels. And it says, they may not have invented caramel, but Mouth Party Caramel sure has perfected it. Slow cooked in small batches and made to order in a nut-free facility. Their secret recipe is a combination of just 5 simple ingredients, creating something utterly transcendent. And it looks like there is caramel, and looks like maybe chocolate in here, caramel. So those look really good. It says they're free from nuts, gluten, soy, high fructose, and trans fat, and no added preservatives or artificial flavors. And these assorted 5-piece box gives you a taste of all 5 flavors. Original vanilla, sea salt, OMG, Chesapeake, and chocolate sea salt. Oh, yum. Okay, that sounds fabulous. I wonder what the value of those are. $4. $4. That sounds fair. I think this is one of the free gifts. We'll get to that in a minute. All right, what else have we got here? Face wipes. Julep Beauty Facial Wipes is up next. I love the collection, right? Like they do such a nice variety. And this is a like thick packet for you to use and try. This is Makeup Remover Towelettes. What's in it? It says Pore Refining Witch Hazel Cleansing, 100% biodegradable, and there is 60 towelettes in here, 60. And it says, simplify your beauty routine with these 2-in-1 facial wipes that gently remove makeup and impurities while refining pores and toning your skin. It says good for all skin types, especially oily and acne prone. Oh, fresh. So that is awesome. And it says why we love Julep. They're inspired by their founder, Jane Park's Korean heritage. Every product Julep creates is steeped in Korean skincare traditions mixed with innovation to deliver results without the complicated routine. And these are valued at $20. That's 60 wipes is really nice. All right, what else have we got? Something to wear. Yay! I love jewelry. This is the Gemma Simone Tori Stackable Bracelet Set. If I can get into it. What do you think, Wyatt? They have it tied shut here. Here we go. Check this out. So it looks like there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bracelets. Those are really pretty. They always send pretty jewelry. If you guys can see all those. So we have like black, and then the black and gold, and then white, black, and gold, and then the 2 gold. So those are really cute. I like those. So these say, the Gemma Simone Tori Stackable Bracelet Set is a classic made for mixing and matching. The black, white, and gold bracelet set features 5 neutral bracelets that make for the perfect accessory. You can wear this stack as a set or wear them individually to complete your look. Each beaded bracelet is stretchy, so it fits almost any wrist size. And this one is valued at $35. All right. And the last one that came in the box that wasn't a gift, because then don't forget there's 3 gifts I get to show you, is this, which is a foldable backpack. So this is by Willow Collective as well. So first of all, see how tiny this is. So I'd say this is what, maybe 5, 6 inches. You see, okay, so folded, I was almost right. Folded, it is 5.5 inches by 2.5 inches. So basically 5.5 by 5.5, right? That's folded. Okay, and then wait till you see it opened up here. Let's see if I can do this. This is valued at $36, and it says, fill it up, fold it up. This versatile backpack is the perfect accessory to carry wine, snacks, and other daily essentials. It features adjustable straps, 2 mesh side pockets, and a front zipper pocket. It also folds up for easy storage until your next adventure. So whenever it's open, it's 14 inches tall, 12 inches wide, and 5.5 inches deep. Okay, so let's do this. All right, so it does have the pocket out here on the side, the mesh pockets that they were talking about. Okay, then it is pretty wide at the bottom, so you could definitely put wine in here. And then let's see how it opens up. I could put Xena in here for sure. Wyatt might be tough. Xena, you want to go in the bag? She's ignoring me. Which, I don't blame her, right? Let me open this. This is pretty nice. All my goodies would fit in here. My little tumbler on the side, right? What do you think, Wyatt? Wyatt's moving away just in case I had any sense of wanting to put him in there. Yeah. See? You want to go in the bag? So that is really nice. And then the adjustable straps. Very cute, right? I like that. Valued at $36. All right. Okay, then you also get 2 bottles of wine, and you can choose from 4 different clubs whenever you pick wines. White wine, red and white wine, or sweet wines. And they always come in these nice little crates, cartons to keep them safe. So I received the Wicked Bliss California 2020 Chardonnay, and these are valued at $24 each. So that's my first bottle. We'll put it over here by Wyatt, see if it scares him. And my second bottle of wine is Loverly Red Blend. This is also California. This is a 2018. Okay. And then I mentioned if you use my code HAPPY, you'll get 3 additional gifts in your box. So let's go through those. All right, I got a hat. This is a Willow Collective. It's valued at $20. And it has a cute little beanie. Oh, and it's, oh, wait till you see the inside. All right, so here's the cute little beanie on top. This is really cute. So black little hat, but check out the inside. So soft and warm. That is adorable. I love a cute little hat. Maybe we could get, do you think we can get Wyatt to model it for us? Maybe you want to try on a hat for me? There we go. See? Didn't that feel nice? Okay. Then I also have, that one is, did I tell you? Yeah, $20. The value of that is $20. Okay. So Wyatt likes the little beanie on the end, so we're not going to let him have that. All right, next up, I have another jewelry item. This is EB & Company's Open Circle. This one is valued at $24. Let's see this. This is pretty. I think these necklaces are really popular right now. That's very pretty. Has a nice chain, nice length. So I like that. That's very pretty. All right, and then the last item is a eyeshadow palette by Larizzi Cosmetics. This one is valued at $32. So the total retail of everything I'm showing you, including the free products, is $239, all for $59.99. So I think this is an awesome collection. I so enjoy this box. I always love it when it comes. So let's see what this shadow palette looks like. Oh, this is a nice one. All neutrals. Love the neutral palettes. So check that one out. I like all of these. I would wear all of those. Those are gorgeous. And that's everything. So as always, I think Vino does an amazing job. So I have so many items here. 9 items, including the wine. Would be 10 because there's 2 bottles here. So between the palette, the jewelry, I have both the necklace and the bracelets, the candy, the makeup remover. Don't forget my awesome little tumbler. The little backpack, which is adorable, and you can pack up into a tiny little container. And my bottles of wine, my hat. Did I forget anything? I think that's everything, right? That was awesome. I'll put all the information for Vino down below. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. If you did, please hit that like. Hope you hang out and hit that subscribe. And if you already have, Thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't forget my code HAPPY if you'd like to give this subscription a try, but I'll put all the information down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.